Hello, I'm Josh with Media One, and today I'm down with Roland and AOSA, discovering all the new applications that can be done with this DIMENSE DA-640 that Roland just launched a few months ago, and seeing all the new exciting materials that you're able to utilize inside an interior space like this has been really great. And to see where Roland's taking it this has been a great experience. And I cannot wait to have more experiences like this with DIMENSE.
With our capabilities and the team that we brought here today, it was very important that they see what the capabilities that the programming has, all the different designs that are available, and not only that, what we can show our customers.
I think just an interactive experience for us, I think is going to really resonate with our designers and our customer base. But all in all, great experience from the Roland team.